Guys, welcome back to our channel, Life of a CS. So today I'm going to be controlling my mum and dad for 24 hours. I'm very nervous. I don't know what I'm going to say, but it's going to be gorgeous. And today we're going to go out. So, hope you enjoy. So the first thing we're going to be doing is the outfits. So, comment down below what you would do in this 24 hours challenge. Comment down below at description and hit that bell and give this video a big thumbs up and share, like and subscribe. And I'm just so nervous because I don't even know what I should choose because it's raining. Comment down below if should I give them a summer outfit in the rain. Comment down below. Choose the outfits right now. So I don't know what. I don't want to make a mess because they organize their stuff. I'm gonna get both of them a jacket because it's raining and it's not gonna be fair. I'm just gonna put that there and put it back in the wardrobe after. Comment down below if you would do this challenge. A jacket, a green jacket. And wait, keep these like them. Comment down below what's your favourite colour as well. Because my favourite colour is blue and green. And this jacket. Oopsie. Where's this? To make Mummy look nice, just a bit of style. So guys, I'm gonna get my mum and dad's clothes out. I've already got their jackets done. And okay, let's get started. I'm gonna put you down. And I need the stool because I'm not that tall. I'm gonna get him some jeans. I can't give her a jumper. And here comes my sister. Say hi to Life of a CS.
Hi, Stefan.
Dada, what do you think I should do? Which clothes do you think?
That one.
For this one?
That one.
This is short. Daddy already has his jeans.
Maybe that one.
Maybe that one. Which one?
This one.
Well, that one.
That one.
What is this?
I don't know.
I'm gonna give Mummy a green. What? Oh, that's fine. No joy in it. Now what should I? Comment down below which top should I get because it's hard.
What's that?
Oh, strawberry, Jada, strawberry.
Sorry.
Oh, I don't think this top is very big because, guys, my dad is very big and we couldn't even find a big size for him, and finally we found it. So, I have all the clothes here on the bed. This is going to be Daddy's. Oh, yeah.
Did you want to go?
I might change Daddy's coat because his green coat wasn't in there because I want them to be matching outside. So I'm going to put this jacket back and they're going to be back in a sec. I forgot my mum's bottoms. I don't know why I forgot, but I thought I had everything. But sorry guys. And guys, I'm going, we'll see you in a minute. Also guys, I can't record in my mum's room because they're getting dressed. So me and Jada are right here in our room. Hope my mum and dad look cool or good when they're finished. And just comment down below if you think they're going to look cool or funny or bad or rubbish. Comment down below in this description. And my sister's trying to end the video, but we're not finished the video. And anyway, if you haven't subscribed already at the first bit, oh Jada, we're not ending the video yet because Mummy and Daddy are still getting dressed. So what do you think we should do, Jada, right now?
Got dressed.
We're already dressed.
It's not dressed.
Oh, you're not dressed yet. You silly biggie.
You're not dressed.
Yeah, you're not Jada. I'm Jada.
Oh, I'm Jada.
Yeah, you are Jada.
I'm Kayden.
I'm Spider-Man, Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Comment down below what's your favourite movie. Mine is Deadpool.
Mine's Bum Bum.
Who's Bum Bum?
Your Bum.
Oh my god.
Stick Bum Bum.
That's bad. So, what do you think we should do right now, Jada? What should we tell our fans?
Put water on the hearts.
No, we shouldn't put water in our fans' heads. Oh my god, this is in the karaoke. No, you can't do it. Look. Oh, bum, 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 bum.
Hi guys,
Hey, Jada! It's not even finished yet. So, Jada.
Okay.
Guys, Mommy and Daddy, are you ready?
No, Mummy's in the bath. I'm ironing.
Okay. So, we're entering the hallway. We're in the kitchen. I think it's gonna rain. Let me show you guys. Look at the clouds, guys. Like literally, look, it looks so dark. Guys, in the camera, guys, it looks like there's water all over there. Back there, can you see? Oh my god, Jada, what is wrong?
Guys, we got Yashalis.
So, I want to give a big shout out to my cousin Azim. Big up yourself, Azim. Hope you like this shout out because this is a special shout out. To subscribe so we can get 400 and 300 and 900 and 900. And then we can have so many subscribers. So, my mum's in the bath because my dad was just in the bath. Now he's getting ready. He has to iron his clothes. And I don't know what we should do. Comment down below in the subscription. What should we do? Bum 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 bum. Baby kid work for every day. Thanks.
No, for that.
I don't like this flavour.
Yeah.
Can I have orange?
This.
Okay.
Guys, I'm going to have an ice lolly. Look how cold it looks. What's your favourite thing to do, guys?
My favourite thing to do is... I don't know what my favourite thing is to do.
How do you know?
Hi guys.
Yes, guys, it's your boy Abs in the
It's your
building.
girl Mom.
Abs in the house. Obviously, as you guys know, today is KK doing, and I'm Jada, but Kayden mostly doing what, the 24-hour challenge. What's it called?
Yeah.
Where you control your parents, yeah? He's picked me out a nice outfit. That was the thing I was the most scared of. I didn't want him to pick me out in a stupid outfit, you know, shorts or something. It's raining.
Exactly.
It was raining anyway.
But I'm happy with my outfit.
Same. I'm looking that far. Full warm. But I mean, jeez, my boy KK got swag. It's another thing to just put out there. KK got swag.
He does. Thank you
swag.
so much, KK, for
Love you,
picking us.
baby boy.
Thanks for picking us some cute outfits.
Listen, look after the baby, yeah?
But yeah, we'll see you in a
One baby,
minute.
take one. So, where we going?
We're going to Ikea.
Yes, it's open. Yes, we are going.
We are. I'm so
Basically,
excited.
as you get older or whatever, you're in a relationship, like a serious relationship, and your girl must be going to Ikea all the time, just know it's game over. It's game over. All parents, don't get me wrong. I used to go to Ikea with my mum growing up, yeah, but never really liked it, you know. Sorry, mum, when you watch this, you know, it wasn't for me, Ikea, you know what I mean? But now, this is what's gonna happen. We're gonna walk around and just look at everything. Probably get something, don't know, but look at everything. We're looking. How many floors is Ikea? 2 floors, 3 floors?
I can't remember.
It's a lot of
It's been a
floors.
while. It has been a minute.
And it's massive. We're just gonna look around. I'm probably gonna lie down on a couple of beds. I might just lie down on some of the beds, you know. Might do that. Yeah, look at this. She's so excited. Guys, are you excited for Ikea?
I don't know. Never been to Ikea.
What? Yes, you have.
I don't know. What is that?
Ikea is the one with the meatballs.
No, I don't know if whenever we normally go, Kayden's at school or something.
Yeah, that's because
it's always
never liked it too tough. So then we started to go when KK was in school. But all my days, Ikea, here we
I
come.
just have a police that I don't know.
Yeah.
I can go to my bed.
So we are in the queue right now.
Yes, city Ikea, you know. Crazy traffic. Yeah, man.
We are here. We made it. Jada, say hi. Jada. Wait. Where are we?
We're doing the Thai makeup.
She said Daddy's makeup. She always thinks we're doing Daddy's makeup or someone's makeup. But yeah. First meltdown of the day. We literally have been here for 2 seconds. Literally.
This is why, this is why I don't like taking kids anywhere. This is why I don't like Ikea trips. She's crying already.
She said Daddy's so rubbish.
Jada, why are you upset? Why are you upset, Jada?
Go away, Daddy.
You seen this? This is just what? 4 minutes of being here. 4 minutes. Game over.
It's not, it's fun. She's 2, she's having a meltdown and she'll be over it within a few seconds. So.
Right. All I want to try to do is keep her safe. Yeah, I'm having fun, guys. Not really. It's typical Ikea shopping, you know. Window browsing. Floss. Let's floss. Yeah, man. Okay, I'm hot now. I'm hot. You have to make the full move. Come on, let's go. This shower is nice though. Seriously. So what do I have to do, KK?
You have to carry me.
I don't want to carry you.
Yeah, carry me over there.
Okay, come on.
The toys.
This thing is taking a mick. Tell you, carry him, put him down, carry him, put him down.
You have to buy me this one, Daddy. You have to buy me all the teddies in the shop. That's what I'm playing. Look at this. She's gonna show. Look at this. I want to. This is mine. I want this bed. And look how cool that bed is. This is. I want
No, that one don't like that anymore. Is that the one that offered you the mashup?
I want to go in the bed. I'm going to take my shoes off.
No.
Yes, can we go
No,
in
you
the
can't.
bed?
No, you can't use it.
Oh, yeah, the ladder. You can't use the ladder.
No.
Oh, my God, look at the shark. I don't want the shark. Hello?
So guys, basically Kayden now has told us to buy this for him. And what else? He made me carry him. You know what? I actually like today, you know, because he's not being evil. He's not being too hard on us. You're taking it easy on us, aren't you? Can you do that for the rest of the day?
Not tonight.
Not tonight. So it's remember, it's my birthday tomorrow, so it'd be nice.
No, I didn't. Guys, if you're gonna in outside, it's pouring down.
Pouring down with rain. It's crazy, you know. But at the end of the day, rain is good. I love rain.
Yeah, but rain can kill plants because in some places they can kill plants because if too much rain and too much sun.
Flood it or dry it out. He's right. KK is right. You know, he's a sensible kid, personally.
Like guys, let me show you guys. Oh my God. Guys.
So basically, now
Guys,
as well.
What you picked?
Yeah, that's what he's picked. What have you picked? Show KK what KK has picked. So guys, as we can tell, we're still in Ikea and these kids are gone crazy. Jada's running about. Would you like to video Jada, please? Show Jada running about. Yep. And I am very, very tired. Look at him. He's gone crazy, guys. I don't know why he's doing what he's doing. Get out of there. Where's Mummy?
Oh my God, what is wrong with you?
So, Mum, what you do with Jada?
We're looking at this rug. Jada said it's disgusting.
Look at the kids running. Do you see? Running off. Where are you running to? We just got back home from Ikea. The experience was a bit, out of 10. I would say it was a good experience, 10 out of 10 experience, but the kids didn't like it too tough. KK was getting upset, Jada was getting a bit aggy. But yeah, KK, well, Mum's and KK's feet was hurting. KK wanted this for dinner, so he got it.
I didn't.
Where you going, Mummy? Come back. So KK, explain, how was your day?
5 out of 10.
5 out of 10, why?
Because I didn't like in the shop because I was so bored and we were in the shop for 7.
Yeah, we left at 7 o'clock. So yeah, it wasn't a bad day. It was all right. But guys, I am starving. I'm starving so much. So I'm gonna love and leave you guys. And should we do the outro now? Guys, we'll do the outro with me. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. It's your boy Abs. Abs is signing out.
Once we're out of this situation, we can do the...
Yeah, you see, basically, as we're coming out of this pandemic, things are getting a bit better. And that's why we're at Ikea today, because it's open now, whatever. But, guys, it's been a pleasure. Until the next vlog. In a bit.